Devi Murugesan Software Training Center welcomes you. In this tutorial video, what we are going to see is linking a Revit file. Okay, linking. We are going to get a external reference as Revit file into our system default file. Okay, what template we are using? In previous video, may have seen system default. The template only we are using, but architect will be using default template to design architect model. Okay, so what I am going to do now, just I am not going to directly take the Revit file which architect has designed and work on that, because in most of the cases architect file will not be completely ready. He might be still working on that. Okay, because in major projects he might have finished it first ground floor, then go for first floor, second floor, like that. But before completing, we must prepare everything, MEP, entire MEP drawings. So for that purpose, now what we will do, just import or link. Sorry, not we cannot import. We are going to link the Revit file which architect had made, then work on that. The main purpose is architect has not completed his drawing. Okay, just he is still working on the interior, everything. Okay, just I get the original file, and if I am doing design on that. Okay, what will happen if architect changes the design or something, is doing some changes in his design? What I have to do, I have to once again take his file and redesign entire thing. Instead of that, just if you are taking getting the Revit file as a link file and working on that, means if architect does any changes, automatically that changes will be incorporated into our link file, so that no need to do redesign. So everything will be updated drawing. What I will be having will be updated drawing. Okay, for that purpose only we are doing linking. Okay, when to do linking? For example, if it is only in quotation stage, just we are going to do estimation. Will you do the linking? No. Just we will open the drawing, we will just roughly draw this drawing. I am going to do like this, and get ready the quotations. Okay, or bill of material. Everything we will be doing. But while doing the actual design, then only we will be doing linking and work on the Revit file. Okay, so let us open Revit. Okay, Revit is open. Click System Default. Go for Insert tab, Link panel, Link Revit. Locate your ARC file. Okay, so select this one is my ARC file, office building. So file name is office building. Files of type Revit only. Positioning, there are nearly 7 positioning. Okay, auto 4, manual 3. Okay, manual means I am going to place manually. Before this, just I will show another thing. Just to go for visibility graphics. Okay, in view, visibility graphics will be there. Okay, in view tab, graphics panel, visibility graphics. Here you can control the visibility. Okay, if you go for site, in site, here just click project base point, survey point. So this is your project point and survey point. Now I go for insert link Revit, because to understand this, just I am going for manual origin. Okay, so it's asking which is the origin point for your this thing, so I can keep it manually. Okay, just I am undo link Revit, selecting same thing, manual base point. Okay, so manually I am going to place everything. If you go for manual thing, manual center. Okay, If you go for auto center to center, what will happen? Just click, so automatically it placed it in the auto center to center. Okay, just another thing, I will undo this, link select, origin to origin. See what happened, difference. Can you see the difference? If we place center to center, automatically it was different. Okay, once again I undo and place the center to center, you can see the difference. While doing practice, you try this, you can understand easily. Okay, this file, see it's inside the building. What happens? It places the building center point at the center. Okay, this is, but what we need is origin to origin only. Why? If architect moves the building, what will happen? If you place the origin to origin, that is entire building will be placed same at the same distance from origin. Okay, so if we change moves the building, automatically our building also will get moved as per his changes. That's why origin to origin, better to keep origin to origin. In older versions, default will be auto center to center. Okay, previous to 14. In 14 or previous versions, we are using older versions. Be careful while positioning this. Okay, if it is center to center, change that to auto origin to origin. But newer version default is auto origin to origin, but better to check whether it's auto origin to origin. If not, change to origin to origin. Okay, so don't forget this. Then after this, just select this and pin it. Okay, what's the purpose? You see, if I move it, it will not move. If I unpin and I try to move this, sorry, unpin, what happens? It's the position is changed. Then the purpose will not be served. Okay, if then it will, the distance is changed from origin. It's not same as origin to origin. That's why pin it. Okay, and another advantage is if you pin it, you cannot delete this. Okay, so I'm going to save in the one name. Already I'm having the same name, just I'm overwriting this. Okay, so now I'm going to close. While opening, okay, just don't forget, just open Revit, then go for open, then click which file you want and open. Okay, don't double click and open, especially if you are doing linking and copy monitor. Next we will see about that in next videos. Okay, what is meant by copy monitor. Okay, by that time don't do like that, don't click, double click and open, because if some warning is there, it may not display that warning. So best practice to open Revit, then click open and open the file. Okay, now what I am going to do now, see, just I am going to move that files somewhere else. Linked file, architect had moved that linked file. Just I cut it and paste in my desktop. What will happen? Just I go for open, click Revit, click my file. A warning is there, Revit could not find or read one reference. What do you want to do? Okay, open manage link to correct the problem, or ignore and continue opening. So first I will, what will do now, ignore and continue opening. Okay, we can go for this later. So what happened? My drawing is missing. Okay, for that just go for manage tab. Okay, in that manage project, manage link will be there. Okay, if you select the first option, automatically this will be open. So select this, status is not found. So here is reload from reload. Okay, first we will go for reload. So where is our file? Our file is here. Just select this, click OK. Right, now it's automatically, I just relocated my file. select this. Here also you can go for manage links. Okay, so my link is overload. Okay, what is the difference between reload and reload from? Reload, that's just like a refreshing. If I click unload, what will happen? Temporarily the file will be hidden but not removed. Select this, and reload means that file will come back. Okay, and what's another purpose of reload? Okay, actually if you open first time, if you are opening, by the time it will get automatically get updated with the arc file. Okay, arc in architecture has done some changes in his arc file. If you open your file here, automatically everything will be get uploaded. Okay, but he is also working, you are also working. By the time if he does any changes, you may miss it. For that purpose only, you need to click reload. Reload means it is refreshing the link file. Remove means entirely that file will be removed. So now you have to go for add and select the building and bring back. Okay, and another option is there. Okay, bind link. What will happen if click bind link? Entire file will come into this. So if your architect does any changes, nothing will be updated here because entire arc file is now in our website, our project. Okay, wait a minute. That file is bigger one, so it's taking time. Okay, so it is asking to remove link. So if you go for manage links, link is not there because entire file is updated here. Now it's here. Okay, so if you made it ungroup, then you can, if you want, you can change this. Okay, everything you can do it. Okay, thank you.